Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to log out Monday.com account. Maybe you want to switch to a different account or just want to prevent unauthorized access to your sensitive information and tasks. So today I'm going to show you how to log out Monday.com account. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Monday.com application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, you will see this three dots icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Simply tap on it to open the settings page. In this settings page, scroll up and below, you can now see this log out from Monday option. Since you wanted to log out of your account, simply tap on this option. After that, you now have successfully logged out of your Monday.com account. You will now be directed to the login screen where you can enter your account details to log into your account again. There you go. If you wanted to know how to log out Monday.com account, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to log out Monday.com account, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.